In this lesson, we're going to look at order Primates. Remember, it's part of kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, and class Mammalia. The order Primates. Members of this group include prosimians, which includes lemurs, lorisses, galagos, and tarsiers, monkeys, apes, and humans. They are a diverse group which forms highly complex social units. There are approximately 300 primate species living today. Biologists divide living primates into two groups. The suborder, aka Promisians or Strepsirrhini, includes lorisses, galagos, lemurs, and patos, not very familiar primates. With the exception of some lemurs, most primates of this group are nocturnal, and they're tree dwellers. Many have claws rather than nails, and some have tails. The suborder Haplorhina includes tarsiers, monkeys, apes, and humans. Tarsiers are limited to Southeast Asia. They're nocturnal, have flat faces with large eyes. All New World monkeys, those found in Americas, are tree-dwelling. They live in trees. Some Old World monkeys are also tree dwellers, but their tails are not prehensile. The apes include gibbons, orangutans, gorillas, and chimpanzees. Primates range in size from Madame Berthay's mouse lemur, very small, which only weighs 30 grams, to the mountain gorilla, which weighs 200 kilograms, pretty big. With the exception of humans who inhabit every continent on Earth, they are found in South and Central America, Africa, Madagascar, and Southeast and Eastern Asia. Primates mostly inhabit tropical rainforests. Primates have binocular vision, meaning that two eyes are close together on the front of their face. The fields of vision of two eyes overlap, enhancing depth perception, which is the ability to estimate how far away an object is. The excellent eye-hand coordination is also important for maneuvering treetops. Apart from some toothed whale species, the higher primates have largest brain relative to body size of all mammals. The cerebral hemispheres, which process sensory information and coordinate responses, are highly developed, allowing sight keen enough for accurate tree-to-tree leaps. Only orangutans and a few of the lemurs of the Galapagos lead solitary lives. All other primates exist in social groups. Bonds between members of primate groups are partly maintained by mutual grooming. Low-ranking members groom those of higher rank to gain favor and support. As a general rule, small primates tend to eat insects, whereas larger primates mostly eat leaves and fruit. Small primates have a high metabolic rate and cannot afford long digestion times needed to process vegetable matter. A few species, including chimpanzees and baboons, hunt vertebrate prey as well as eating vegetable matter. Only tarsiers are entirely carnivorous. Most primates spend at least part of their life in a tree and adapt it accordingly. Even those that now live on the ground retain adaptations for living in trees. The arm and wrist bones are not fused, which increases dexterity. Primates also have free limbs. The upper part of each limb is outside the body wall, which allows great freedom of movement. The big toe is separated from the other toes, except in all species except humans, to provide strong hold on branches. The thumb is always separated from the fingers. It is only opposable, able to turn, face, and touch the other digits in the same hand, in apes and some other world monkeys. The hands of primates can hang onto branches and manipulate food. Most species have flat nails on the fingers and toes. Only a few have claws, and the big toe always has a nail. Hand and feet structure varies according to lifestyle. Claws and rounded pads improve grip in the arboreal species. Highly mobile hands and feet are vital for species that live on the ground and in trees. Except for apes, most have a tail. On many primates, their tail acts as a fifth limb. These are called prehensile tails or grasping tails. Primates are among the most attentive parents of all mammals. Most primates have single births and nurture their offspring for a long time. Of all primates, chimpanzees are biologically the closest relatives to humans, differing in about 4 to 5% of their DNA sequences. The end.